A simple delay timer circuit contains a timer on button, one BC 547 NPN transistor, one 1 kΩ and one 33 kΩ resistor, an LED and a capacitor to add depending on the delay time. In our example, it is 220 microfarads, which means that the circuit will have a delayed turn-off after 30 seconds. If you put a capacitor with a higher capacitance value, you would only increase the turn-off time. So let's begin. From the plus 12 volts DC power supply, we go through a resistor and an LED to pin 1, which is the collector of the transistor. Make sure that the anode of the diode is on the resistor and the cathode is on the collector. Then we go from the plus 12 volts DC power supply, through the key and the 33 kΩ resistor to pin 2, which is the base of the transistor. Between the button and the resistor of 33 kΩ, the connection goes via a capacitor of 220 microfarads to the minus 12 volts DC power supply. Make sure that the negative polarity of the capacitor is on the negative 12 volts DC power supply. Then we connect pin 3, which is the emitter, to the minus 12 volts DC supply. Then we connect the power supply, and when we press the button, the timer starts to count down, which turns off after 30 seconds.